I bring it.
Yeah, he bring it. Bring it. Let's play mermaid. I know. How about Ocean Cruise Train? Yeah, ocean. Okay, grab my feet. Holy. Grab. I don't want the mermaid to play game now. Oh, it's too heavy. Ew. I'm the one getting you. I'm gonna. Please, can you eat it? Please.
No.
Parents try.
No, ayoko yun.
Please.
Nak, may ginagawa na sila. Mas gusto ko
We're not even in a meeting.
I will. Wait.
Dad, fine. This one has no. No, get it. Eat it. This one has no ketchup. Awesome. That should have ketchup. Please. It doesn't have ketchup. Just taste it. It doesn't have. Daddy doesn't have. You're not even eating it. Eat it. Ah! You're going to add.
Yan, wala yan.
Dad! Daddy, it's mine. I put it on here only. We finally got a video! Dad, I just put it here. Dad, I just put... No! Dad! Is that... Dad!
Nak, tama
There's
na.
none over here.
No.
Dad, there's none.
There's none. Ayan, oh. Is
No, there. Let's eat it.
Huwag mo kasing lagyan ng ketchup. Pasaway ka naman eh.
This is so funny.
Pasaway.
Mama, there's no.
Oh, wala.
I promise.
What?
Prank ya!
Or tumubo, after 4 to 5 years, pwede na po siyang lahat po ng bamboo na ginamit. Pwede po mag-picture sa tractor, pwede po umakyat.
Smile ate. Yung mga tractor eh. Tree! Isa pa pa. Si Tree! Waki!
He's eating it.
Yan. Yes, doon niya po nilalagay yung baby rabbits niya. Kamote tops. At kapag po may lettuce kami na hindi na pwedeng iserve sa restaurant,
Don't. Yeah, we do. And I.
lalapit ko na yan.
Oh boy, I'm confused. This is pink.
May babies din po dun sa kabila. Pwede na rin po kayo.
That's Pumba. I'm scratching siya. That's Pumba.
What?
Ito mo, you see, oh. It's dancing. Yun yung nandun, oh. Nag-i-scratch siya dun, eh. That's Pumba.
I notice.
Hold mo lang, baby. Hold mo lang. Hold mo lang. Lalapit siya.
Kaya mo lang, lalapit yan.
Yeah, it's not looking at it.
Nakikita.
Sleepy? Ba't yan ba ang Si Mami Mace po, umaanak po siya ng 2 hanggang 3 beses po sa loob po ng 1 taon. Ang kinakain po nila ay ligaw na halaman, madre de agua, and kamote tops po. At kapag may fruits and vegetables po, na hindi na po pwedeng iserve sa restaurant, sila din
There.
po kumakain ito. Kaya
there's
kung
another
mapapansin nyo, yung pups nila hindi po mabaho dahil po organic din ang kinakain nila.
Mom, it ate mine.
Yeah. Healthy pig. You wait.
Just throw it.
Yeah. There now, si Daddy Pig. Ayan na siya, yo.
Yan, ito po yung Mami Pigs mo.
This one.
We just got it. What?
Mm.
Dad, you're right.
Okay, so dito naman po tayo sa kabila.
Iho.
Kung mapapansin niyo po, dito po sa gitna meron pong kawayan. Ito po ay buffet table.
Throw it, throw it.
Mom,
You give it to them, Iho.
Mom, we're doing this like it's chicken.
No, give it to them.
Just throw it.
Pwede po niyong pakainin ng corn.
Oh, EJ,
Lang po.
Ang galing.
go get the corn.
Corn grits.
You go get the corn.
Mom, gave the
Ayan. Go to ate.
Ate gave some to EJ.
Ito po yun. Oh, yung wala ko na kasi. Oh, diba?
Sorry. Chicken McDo.
Yan, dito naman po, meron tayong Rhode Island Red, Saso Australorp, and native chickens po. Yung native chickens po, ito po ay sinaserve sa restaurant Tinola po. And yun naman pong eggs nila araw-araw, ito din po ay sinaserve sa restaurant. Organic eggs po. Ano ba?
Baka tukain kami ah.
Touch it.
You want to touch? Touch. Ay, sorry, ma'am.
Easy, look, chicken.
Kuya, you want to touch chicken?
EJ,
Touch the
you
chicken.
want to
Touch it.
Yan, dito po kinakain din po nila yung ligaw na halaman. Kaya po kung mapapansin nyo, yung poops nila, hindi rin po mabaho dahil po organic din ang kinakain nila.
EJ. Chef Ide. Smile!
Cupcakes. Make sure you have
Yum. So delicious.
Bless you.
I want to put the golden stars.
lalagyan na natin ng design. Gusto mo siya.
Oh, you put mango.
Yan. Parang mukhang flower. Sige ba ba? Space mo pa. Here, kuya, Baby, lalagyan pa natin ng ano. Lalagyan pa natin ng ano. Here. Squeeze. Can you check which one's your part? Here, ate. Elena. Lalagyan natin ng ano. Lisa, squeeze it. Which one?
Like nutty.
Squeeze. Squeeze it.
You have to make this edible.
Ah, sila agad.
Smile! Smile!
Oo.
Oh, there, iho. To show your ano. Kasi they're gonna stay here. Ikaw, di ba kay Kimber?